What is up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. As you guys can tell by today's video title, today we are doing another most wished for Amazon products video. If you guys are new here and you guys haven't seen my previous videos around this topic, it's basically where I go on the most wished for tab on Amazon. I scroll through all the different categories such as fashion, beauty, gardening, all that kind of stuff, and I pick out 5 of the most interesting products to me that were in the top 10 list. These lists are created based off of users actually adding products to their wish list, and all these products are just a compilation of the most wished for products out there. If you guys are new here and you guys haven't seen my face before, hi, I'm Roxy. Welcome to my channel. If you want to stick around, be sure to subscribe down below. But anyways, let's see what the hype is about and whether these products are worth the money. Let's get into it. All right, so the very first category I went into was, of course, beauty. So in number 4, there was this product right here, and I chose to try this one in particular because all the other ones I've already tried before. This product is a lip product from a brand called Wonder Skin. This is called the Wonder Blading Peel and Reveal Lip Stain. I honestly love a peel and reveal lip stain. I feel like they're just so cool. Now the kit was around £18, but the singular product, which is just the stain, was only £13. I got mine in the shade Beautiful, which is this gorgeous pink kind of color. Let's see what the packaging is like. I have a feeling this is one of those like trending TikTok products, which is why it's in so many people's wish lists right now. All right, so here is what the packaging looks like. It's pretty simple and plain actually. Does this have a scent? Oh, it's like blue. What the hell? Look at that. The actual stain is blue and then it changes color into pink. That is so cool. It does have a slight scent to it. I wouldn't say it's unappealing though. I am currently wearing a lipstick, so I'm gonna do a cutaway trying this product, so roll that clip now. All right, so I've removed my lipstick and we're ready to apply this baby. I'm actually kind of nervous. I hope this doesn't stain for too long, but if it does, we're gonna have to be super careful with how neat we apply this. It smells really, really nice actually. It kind of smells quite fruity. I guess let's go straight in and apply this to my lips. It kind of stings. Like it's starting to sting a little bit. I don't know if I should keep going or what. Honestly, it's kind of worrying because it's a very strange sensation. My lips are going hard, obviously where the lip stain is setting. I'm trying not to move my lips too much, which is why I'm talking so weird. I'm gonna let this dry for like a few minutes and then I'll be back to peel it off together. All right, it's been a couple of minutes now, and as I talk, I literally feel it cracking off of my lips, so I think it's time to peel. Okay, it's a little bit disappointing because I'm trying to peel it, but it's not really coming off in one like patch. It keeps breaking off into tiny little bits like this. Can you see that? So it's definitely not as satisfying as I thought it was gonna be. Let's try and peel this upper corner here. Okay, the peeling is definitely not working out. I kind of just have to like scrub it off with my finger, which is a little bit of a shame because I really thought this was gonna be satisfying. A wipe definitely seems to be working the best at just getting this off. All right, and that is all of the stain off. This is the final result. Let's just do a smear test. Nothing! I'm very impressed at how pigmented this is. It's not my favorite color ever. It's not really the kind of lipstick I'd normally go for, but it's a really nice, rich kind of pigmented color. So I would say this product is pretty good. Literally the only downside that I see to this product is the fact that it just wasn't quite as satisfying as I imagined with the peeling process, but equally it wasn't hard to remove. I just used a wipe and that was perfectly fine. At first I was convinced that this product might be a gimmick, but it works pretty well. well. So I'm gonna give this like a 9 out of 10. All right, now moving on to the next category. We're now gonna be trying out a product from the most wished for fashion products. There was quite a lot of interesting things on this list, being Crocs, a suitcase, a belt, a pair of leggings, a bunch of bags. But the item that really caught my attention was this body, and this was 22 pounds. Instantly, it gave me Skims vibes. I've been loving just really buttery smooth bodies, as you can probably tell by what I'm wearing now. This was from a brand called Shaper X. It's called the Body Hugging Bodysuit for Women. It's long sleeve and it has a leotard thong to it. This is how it has arrived. If this is anything like Skims, I'm gonna be very happy. Okay, so here it is. Hang on a minute. I swear I ordered mine in black, but I got the brown one. Okay. Not that I'm complaining because I do love a brown moment. Anyways, this is it. It's very, very soft and very stretchy, as you can see. It's got a really nice crew neckline to it. It's not seamless like this one though, sadly. It then has the long, like stretchy sleeve. It has the little leotard with the claspy crotch thing at the bottom. And honestly, it feels really, really nice. It feels very lightweight. The fabric is actually double layered. So it's got the front and the back fabric. I can kind of like feel it. I guess all that's left to do is to try this bad boy on and see how it looks. All right, so here is the bodysuit and what it looks like on. It is so buttery smooth. Honestly, this is giving Skims vibes for sure. However, comparing this to Skims, this is like a fraction of the price. So I am so happy with it. The sleeves are a perfect length. They're tight enough to be like flattering. They're not loose. I absolutely hate that. Everything is so well fitted around my waist and my bust. I feel really supported in this, even though I'm literally just wearing nipple covers. This is the kind of basic bodysuit that everybody should have in their wardrobe. So I am definitely giving this a 10 out of 10. I totally see why this is on people's most wished for list. In the pet supplies category, there was a lot of really exciting products. Not so much the cat food, but I'm talking about the hidden planter like cat tray. What the hell? Why have I never seen this before? I was so tempted to get that because if I can make Sky's cat box look like actually aesthetically appealing, then of course I would. But there was another product that stole my heart on this list, and that was the human-sized dog bed. Are you kidding? I feel like I've been waiting for this moment all my life. I love sitting on the floor, but I'm never comfortable enough, so I felt like this would just be a win-win situation. I've been seeing this freaking human-sized like dog bed all over social media. I get ads for it all the time. However, the original version that I saw was with beans inside and it was so expensive. So when I saw this and this was only 160 pounds, I was like, okay, it's meant to be. It's still expensive, but it's a lot better. Okay, so this is how the product has arrived. It is so freaking heavy. Let me show you. Ugh. Oh my gosh, it's so huge. This is the whole bed. It literally came in a ginormous box that weighs like a ton. This is completely and utterly vacuum packed, so this is like completely rock hard. I'm gonna have a lot of fun unwrapping this, so let's roll the clip. All right, so let's unpackage this together. I have a feeling this is gonna be interesting. Whoa, look at this. It's actually fairly big. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness, it is huge. I think this is the underside though. Ugh. Let's flip it over. Okay, this is it. I'm literally so excited. As you can see, it is kind of just like a little bit floppy right now, so I don't really know how to make it stand up. So there's actually a zipper all around the circumference on the inside, so you can take the cover off and wash it, which is so cool. Let's get in and see how I can make this stand up. So as it's been flat packed, you kind of have to like go inside and make the little like edges of the bed stand up. So that's what I'm gonna do now. All right, so that is the human-sized dog bed with the edges all fluffed up. They're actually not as like fluffy as I thought they would have been. It's very like flimsy and there's not much structure to it, which is kind of disappointing considering this was like 160 pounds. The actual foam of the underside is very comfortable though. I feel pretty comfy just sitting on it. Let's try it out laying down though. I feel like that's what we're all waiting for. Oh wow, there's so much room. I feel like I can actually fit my whole body in it. Wow, look at that. This is brilliant. It is so comfortable. I actually can't get over this. This is so cool. Not only can your pets use this, but you can use this with your pets. Like, that is game changing. Look how much room there is. It's so cozy. I just wish that the ridge was just a little bit more comfortable because it's just a little bit too hard. So all in all, what should we rate this? I feel like it's a good idea, but it's just not been executed in the best like way. Idea wise, this is a 10 out of 10, but this part here just gives it a little bit of a lower rating for me. So I'm gonna have to give it like a 6 out of 10. Now moving on to the next category, I now went into the grocery category and I really didn't know what to expect here. In this category, there was a lot of products that I was kind of like, I don't really care about this. However, there was one product in number 2 and it was this Bubbleology Fruit Bubble Tea Mixology Kit with Popping Boba. Are you kidding? That is right up my street. I checked the ingredients. It happened to be vegan by accident, so I managed to get it and this is what it looks like. This was only £8.50 and let's be real, bubble tea can be quite expensive if you're having it out. Out of this one kit, you can have 4 different drinks, so I feel like that is a pretty good value for money. I absolutely love the packaging. It's so cute. And inside, what are the flavors? We have the passion fruit, raspberry, mango, and strawberry. We've got 1 mango flavor filled balls and then 2 strawberry flavored filled balls. You also get 2 jasmine tea bags inside. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna have to have a little read about how to make this, but let's head to the kitchen and make it together. All right, so welcome to my kitchen. Here is everything that was inside this little kit. So as you can see, we've got 4 sachets of flavor. We then have 3 of these pots of the actual like boba bubbles. And it says that you can actually use 1 of these for 2 different bubble teas, so that's pretty good. And then you also get 2 of these bags of tea. So what you're supposed to do is put the bag of tea in 200 ml of hot water, which should be a serving for 2 bubble teas. So I'm just gonna pop that in there to brew for a little while. So after about a minute, I'm gonna take the tea bag out. And we're now gonna take 1 of the sachets of flavor and just pop that in there. I think that's what you're supposed to do. Let me double check. So I'm gonna go for the mango flavored one and we're just gonna squeeze that in there. It says if you don't want the bubble tea to be too sweet, you obviously don't have to put the whole thing in, but I like it sweet, so I will. Oh, that smells really nice. So I'm just gonna stir the 2 together. So because this mixture is actually enough for 2 different bubble teas, I'm only gonna put half of it in this cup here. By the way, this cup did not come with the kit. I have it from something else, but it's perfect for bubble tea. So I'm just gonna put half of it in. So I've poured that into the cup. I'm now gonna select my bubbles. Once again, this is a serving for 2, so I'm only gonna use half of these boba bubbles. If I can open them first. Oh my God, why is it so hard? I'm gonna have to pop it with the scissors. They don't really smell of anything, but they are filled with flavor apparently. So I'm just gonna take a couple on my spoon and just pop them in the drink. Because they're the same color, you can't even see them. That's kind of disappointing. I think what I'll do is I'll actually mix a couple of these red ones in so you guys can actually see the bubbles, because I think that's what you're supposed to do, judging by the box. I'm gonna take some of the red ones. Yeah, you can definitely see those. I think that's enough. And now to top it all off, we're now gonna pour in 200 ml of cold water. You can also add ice, but I'm just gonna keep it without ice. So now all there's left to do is to mix the whole thing to really get that flavor going through. It looks so cool. You actually get 4 of these really chunky sort of like paper straws with it. So let's give it a taste. Cheers. Oh wow, the bubbles have so much flavor in them. This is so nice. The actual like liquid doesn't have an awful lot of taste, but the second you get the bubble in your mouth and it bursts, that is literally where all the flavor is. It's really good. I would say for this kit being only £8, you do get quite a lot of like product for it. You can make 4 different bubble teas. I do wish it came with a cup like this because I feel like that would have just made the whole experience so much better. But yeah, I really like the flavor. I would highly recommend this and I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10. And now the very last category that I purchased from was from the stationery and office supplies category. I saw this item in number 5 and I instantly knew I had to get it. It was was the cutest little notebook I think I've ever seen. This was around £12, and not only is the packaging itself so adorable, the inside is literally so cool because every single sheet of paper has a different design on it. I was looking for a new notebook to practice my Japanese in, so I feel like this is gonna be perfect. This is what it looks like on the front, and then this is what it looks like on the back. It's got a magnetized little clip, so let's open it together. Wow, that is so cool. Let's open another page together. Whoa, it is so pretty and so aesthetic. Look at that. Whoa, look at this spread. This is amazing. I am gonna do a quick flick through of all the different pages and show you guys some of my favorites. I've just seen a really pretty one. Oh my gosh. I love this. Look at the little kitty. This is literally my favorite notebook I own now. It's just so pretty and so aesthetically pleasing. Look at this. I honestly can't get over how cute this is for only £12. It's even got a little bookmark inside. What's not to love? I'm giving this notebook a solid 10 out of 10. If you guys are after a new notebook, get yourself one of these. All right, guys, so that was everything for today's video of me trying out Amazon's most wished for products. Let me know down below in the comments which one of these products was your favorite. I actually really loved all of them. My favorite though was probably either the notebook or the bubble tea. I honestly loved both so much. If you guys did enjoy this video, definitely leave a comment below as well so I know and I can make more videos like this in the future. But anyways, that is all from me. Thank you guys so much for being here and watching this video. I appreciate you all, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! Mwah.